Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to blur your lock screen photo on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to put a picture, however you want to blur it, then let me show you how you can apply this effect on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So first go ahead and lock your phone. Now go ahead and press the side button. Go ahead and long press on it. Go ahead and unlock the phone. Next, go ahead and tap on Effect at the bottom right. Now go ahead and swipe left until you get your blur option. Now once you're happy with that, tap Apply at the top right and then tap Done. Now your blur effect has been applied to the lock screen. So there you go guys, that is how to apply the blur effect on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.